Hey, what is up guys, it's PMHK here, and today as you can see we have a massive unboxing. Okay, let me explain. So although it's still a massive unboxing, I mean this box is still big. Unfortunately, he also asked me to buy some stuff online when he realized that I was buying some stuff, so I'm guessing he already came and got his stuff. So I mean this is still big enough. I can still call this a massive unboxing. Can I not? I don't know, leave in a comment if it's still a massive unboxing or not, but let's just jump into this. And yeah, let me grab my obviously friendly unboxing knife and we're gonna go through it. And you guys even see what's okay, at least now you can see it's big. Look at this, it's huge. So oh look, it even covers the stream. Let's jump inside. So he saw that I was buying something from Amazon and he needed some lights from eBay, so he ordered lights. Probably is the box that he took for the lights. Hopefully he actually took the lights and not my stuff. As for my stuff that I got, I'm gonna show it to you guys just now. Hopefully it's still around the corner, just in case this is the wrong package, but hopefully it's not the wrong package. So let's jump into this box quickly. And oh no, this is actually the light kit set. Let me see if I can still find them outside. Oh, thank God I managed to find him, or else this video is gonna have to be postponed to another day. So that's...
What happened?
I don't know, you took the wrong box. What do you mean what happened?
Dude, that's a more big stuff than yours.
No, my box is big, I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
So this is DK, if you guys don't know him. He's normally the only YouTuber
Hey, what's
I
up,
know.
guys?
Only YouTuber I know, so he's forever featuring on my channel. I don't know, don't mind me. If you guys know any other YouTuber you think I should feature on my channel, go bother that YouTuber so you can feature on my channel. Like if you say it here, obviously he doesn't know that I exist. He's not really gonna see it. Go to his channel, tell him to feature PMHK on his channel, on my channel, then we're gonna be sorted. So these are the lights for him. If you guys wanna see the unbox of these lights,
It's almost gone.
really?
I'm telling you.
Yeah, and I think it drives an M. Is that an M5 or an M2?
No, this is like...
It's not an M. Whatever. That's an M2. So if you guys wanna see the unboxing of these things, I think he's gonna put it on his channel. I'm gonna link his channel down below so you guys can actually see the unboxing of these lights. Or should we unbox it here now? Okay, he doesn't want them unboxed here. So you can put your box aside then. Put it aside. So this is my box, is the big one. Who likes big boxes? I do for sure. So let's jump quick into this. I don't even know how to unbox this thing. Where did I put my knife? Okay, I found the knife, so let's go through this package. So some of the things in this box are actually really need them, but some, as usual, you know, sometimes you buy things that you don't need and you think you need, but after you actually buy them you realize that you didn't need them, but you can't return them because you already bought them. Long story short, it's already on the box, so let me show you guys what I got. Okay, we are inside, hopefully. We are inside, and I'm gonna take the stuff out of the box and just let you guys know what's in the box, so we can maybe make proper video specifically on the single items in the box, or each item in the box that you guys want me to actually take a deeper look on it, and we're gonna do. Because if I don't do that, this video is gonna be 30 minutes. I know most of you actually don't mind a 30 minutes video. Tell me if you do, but I know you don't. So we're not gonna do this today. Maybe some other time. So yeah, a box inside the box. So there's a bigger box inside the smaller box. But let's first take the single items inside the big box. So first of all, we have this. I hope it's not black. This is a headphone stand for the main desk. I know the main desk tour is supposed to be coming, but it's been taking longer than I expected. I think I bought this guy for $19, but I'm gonna go and check properly how much they were, and I'm gonna link them below, most of them actually. So this is a headphone stand. I'm gonna skip this one because actually we're gonna skip most of them, because if you guys need specific video on them, I can always make them. So these guys here are the Emeron M9. These are really popular lights. Funny story, I actually only bought one of these by the same two. So I bought one, it was supposed to be shipped, but then they realized that it didn't ship, so they refunded me. But at the end of the day, actually it ended up arriving. Then I bought the second one while I was having problem with this one, because they said they were gonna refund me, and the second one actually arrived. So I have two of these, and I'm actually gonna need them now that I realized that I have two. But when I bought them, I actually didn't know that. Moving to the next one, I don't know what this is, but by the name it might be, oh, this is a kind of a stand for this recorder that I'm using here. Right now it's attached to a tripod, which is attached to the bigger tripod, so it's kind of a cumbersome system. But with this guy, I can just grab it and attach it almost anywhere. Okay, am I even showing this properly to the camera? I can attach it anywhere. So moving right along, do you know what this is?
I don't know the name, I've seen it.
Yeah, I also don't know the name, but it should come in handy. Yeah, and that's that. And next up we have, this is a box that will allow me to actually fix the mess down here. I actually mentioned in a couple of videos ago that I was gonna get this thing for me to organize the cabling in the room, so I don't get fried while I sleep. So this is how it works. You just put the plugs inside, pack away the cables, and only a nice box is gonna be outside showing. As I said, if you guys want to see specific videos on these guys, just let me know in the comment and I'll make sure that comes your guys' way. And this is an iPhone cable. I bought this tiny little cable because I normally use batteries. Talking about batteries, I gave 2 batteries away in a couple of videos ago, and actually the guys already got their stuff. If you actually got the stuff, just make sure you comment on this video so they don't think that I'm selling dreams. We don't sell dreams here, we actually do what we say we're gonna do. So this is a 0.3 meter cable that I can use with power bank, so that you don't carry long cables while you're charging your phone and you're walking around maybe a mall or so. So I think I got 2 of these little cables for us to use around the house, because I mean everybody uses those cables around here. I don't know why I'm looking at the mic, like the microphone is the one in the camera. I need to look at the camera. Yeah, so this guy here is a Nintendo Switch adapter. I can put this guy on a Nintendo Switch and play it with Xbox controllers, PlayStation controller. Basically any Bluetooth controller will actually be supported. So this is for a Nintendo Switch, so we can play 2-player games properly without having to buy Nintendo Switch controllers, which tend to be expensive sometimes. And yeah, I think that's about it for the smaller boxes inside the big boxes. And now we're gonna take the big box inside the big box. Help me out, please. Just pull that one. There we go. I'm just trying to see if there isn't any address. There's another one. Okay, this is the other tiny little cable for charging with power banks. That's what I said, man. Power banks. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think 8, 7 items that we got from this massive unboxing. It's still massive, even if it's 7. I don't know what considers as massive. What considers as massive? Is it the size or the number? I think it's the size. If the box is big, it's massive, right? Yeah, if the box is big, it's massive. So let's chop through this last item. I think there's a single item in this box, and I got this also from Amazon. Some of the packages that I got, I got from eBay. Like, I think this guy was from eBay, and I don't remember the rest. It's been a while. So let's move to the next big box. So this guy here is actually a kind of a tray system, a rolling cart. If you don't know what a tray system is it a tray or rolling cart? So it's a tree carrier cart or a tray with wheels that you can just use to put the equipment and carry it around the house while we are filming at other locations. So this guy is the one that actually make these packages shift to the country and cost a little bit more. So I'm gonna have this. Let me show you guys this, the manual. This is basically what it's supposed to look like. I don't know if it's self-explanatory. Okay, there we go. This is the picture of it. Actually, the one that I bought is the one with 4 system. It takes 4, not 2. So yeah, this says 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna have to assemble it, which I'm good at, by the way. I like assembling stuff, if you didn't notice. And yeah, this is the tray system. I don't think I should actually take it out and show it to you guys, because it's just tray on top of tray, and that's basically it. Let me show you how one looks like. It's actually bigger than I expected, eh? Yeah, it's big. So this is one of them. As you can see, it's actually around 3 of my faces. Yeah, 3 of my big forehead, or my head in general. And yeah, there's another 3 inside. I mean 4 inside. It should be 4, ne? 4 inside, and the legs and the wheels. Oh, this was a big unboxing. Yeah, massive unboxing. Okay, so this basically it. So going back to the things that we got, let me just do a quick run around. It's not that much, but it's a lot. There is this guy, which is the arm for the recorder that I have here recording right now. Hopefully sound quite clean and nice as usual. So this is the one that comes with the arm to help me set up that. These are the 2 lightning, and I think there's one lightning, power line lightning, and I think this is the Android one, the micro USB, if not USB-C. I don't remember actually which one I got. But this is to help me with charging devices while I'm working with the battery. This is for the Nintendo Switch, so I can play with different controllers, not only Switch compatible controllers. And these are the 2 lights that I got. As I said, I only had gotten one. It got returned, then I bought the second one, it arrived, and then the first one that I've gotten also arrived, so I ended up getting 2 for the price of 1. And this is the stand. I don't really think there's much to like go through these packages and show it to you guys, but if you really want to see what's inside, obviously I can make a separate video for you guys. Yeah, that's about it. Did I forget anything? Oh yeah, and this guy, thank you. And this guy here is to just manage the cable around the room, especially the ones on the floor. Actually, the ones on the floor only, because since I only have one, this should be good for it. And now I'm tired. So, it's actually late now. It's almost midnight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and obviously go check DK's channel. I'll make sure I link them below and somewhere at the end when that outro comes. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, which should come soon. I'm actually traveling, so there will probably be a travel vlog soon, so stay tuned for that. Peace.